let's go buy some hair dye so I can dye my hair blue black. Just kidding, it never really ends up looking blue black. It's just like jet black. So anyways, let's do this. So it is now the very next day. I actually was not able to dye my hair yesterday because last minute I got a little scared that one of these was not gonna be enough. I know my hair is obviously in a bob, but I have really thick hair and I have a lot of hair. Like if you can see, this is like a lot just for this little bunch that I grabbed. So I went back and I tried to purchase another one, but they only had one of the one that I needed. So I got one black Sapphire and one black Onyx. So I hope those still give me that blue hint. And I have a 20 developer here. I'm gonna use this whole bottle because you need to use 2 ounces for each one of these. So since I have 2, I'm gonna use the whole bottle, which is 4 ounces. We have our gloves. I already pulled them out. And I got this time. Previously, I've used a bowl with a brush to dye my hair. But I remember when I was younger, I used to dye it with this and it was a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to this for now. Let's see if I still remember how to do it. We have the wipes, of course, in case you have any accidents, and a thick cream to go all around your forehead and your ears. Vaseline would have been better, but I couldn't find it. So this is what we're gonna do. So that's all we need for now, and let's get started. Okay, so we've been shaking this for about a minute already. I think it's time to start applying. I will start in the back just because other times I've noticed that's where I pay less attention to, and sometimes we end up with like lighter spots around the back, so that's where I'm starting right now. So I will go ahead and apply it directly onto the root. Start mixing with this hand. I'm gonna try to keep this hand as clean as possible. Definitely a lot easier with this little bottle. Faster and easier. So if you're doing it at home, I definitely recommend you use one of these instead of the bowl. Leave the bowl for the professionals. See how much is left? That's exactly one little bottle right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's almost halfway gone, so I would have been in a serious pickle. Okay, now we have brushed most of it down, so we will continue to apply it to the rest of the hair. I'll definitely grab 3. I knew my hair is thick and I have a lot of hair, but damn, I didn't think I was even gonna finish like the whole thing with 2. If my hair grows like 1 more inch, I mean, it's obviously gonna grow 1 more inch. So next time I dye it, I'm definitely gonna need to get 3 bottles. Okay, so it's all done. We're gonna go ahead and wait about 40 minutes before we go wash our hair. I'm gonna go remove all these disgusting little stains from my face, clean up this, and I will be right back with you guys after the shower and after I style my hair. Wish me luck. So this is the finished look, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love how it turned out. It's very nice and even all over the place. I don't have any red spots. I was looking back here, as I mentioned in the video, like usually in the crown is where I kind of mess up sometimes, but this time I was very careful of that, so everything came out good. Next time I dye my hair, I'm definitely gonna need 3 bottles because this time 2 was just enough. I was actually really scared towards the end. But yeah, this is all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. That is all for today, so I'll see you guys next time.